Hi guys, and welcome to the Smart Investor channel. On this video, we are going to review the best first credit cards for beginners according to our research. We will review the pros and cons of each card, compare rewards and benefits, and learn how to pick up the right card for your needs. Let's start. Getting your first credit card as a young adult is the first step toward financial independence. Having a credit is beneficial for building your credit history, making large purchases, and emergencies. On another note, it's best to proceed with caution. Like many financial decisions, using a credit card involves risk as well as benefits. If you aren't ignorant of the risks, you are a step ahead towards using a credit card the right way. When should you get your first credit card? Credit cards are an unavoidable part of modern life, and for many individuals, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. When a person should acquire their first credit card is largely determined by how responsible they or their parents believe they will be with it. The optimum time to apply for a credit card is usually before you need one. As long as you have the necessary money to repay your expenditures, college or shortly after graduation is a fantastic time to start using a student credit card. Many credit card companies offer cards tailored to students, but like with any credit card, it's a good idea to shop around and compare rates and restrictions. How to choose the right first credit card. Every credit card company say they have the best benefits. The question is, which one is the right one for you? Not all credit cards are identical to one another. Every card has their benefits, rates, features, and fees that accompany it. If you desire to pay off your bill per month, getting a student rewards card is a great way to go. Here are the terms to watch out for to make the decision a lot easier for you. Build your credit. The most important thing in a first credit card is to build your credit. When your credit is getting higher, you can get much better cards, better rewards, and a lot of perks that are not available in beginner cards. Make sure the issuer submit your payments to 3 credit reporting agencies, so it will be reflected in their stats. Check if the issuer is willing to review your account on a regular basis, how long until your credit limit increase, and which options you can get after a year. Credit limit. The credit is the amount your lender loans you each month. Since the length of your credit history is not long when you decide to apply for your first credit card, lenders will only give you a small amount of credit, such as $300. Whatever the limit is, it's best not to max it out every month. You will keep a good credit score if your card utilization, which is the percentage of how much you use your card, is low. If you come to the conclusion that your credit limit is too low after several months, give your lender a call to request a limit increase. Don't get too excited because it's not wise to run up a balance you can't afford to pay back. Annual fee. There are credit card companies out there that charge a fee by just having their card. The fee can range from $15 to hundreds of dollars. Most people try to avoid these cards and are ignorant of the fact that these cards carry great reward benefits that offset the annual price. Just like with the APR, make sure that the number you see is permanent and not an intro offer just to reel you in. APR. This is the rate that lenders charge you if you have an outstanding balance. For instance, if you don't pay the balance off in full, you will owe interest on that balance. It's a good thing if you get a card with a low APR. Even if you don't carry a balance, it's still wise to have a low APR. Also, research credit cards that have 0% introductory rates. Also, keep in mind that the intro rate is only temporal. Your APR will rise afterward. It's best to see if the APR after the intro is permanent or document the day the introductory period expires so you won't be surprised later on. Here are the Smart Investor Selects picks of top credit cards for beginners. Capital One QuicksilverOne Cash Rewards. The Capital One QuicksilverOne Cash Rewards card earns 1.5% cash back on every purchase, without requiring category activations, while it's one of the few cashback credit cards that require a fair credit. However, make sure to pay on time, since the variable APR is quite high. QuicksilverOne Cash Rewards card charges an annual fee of $39 and can be a good choice if you're looking for a credit card for fair credit to earn cashback rewards across all purchase categories at a low annual cost. Chime Credit Builder. The Chime Builder card is a great card for beginners who would like to build credit. To qualify for most cards, you must be able to demonstrate your ability to manage credit, which can be a catch. The Chime Credit Builder card was created to address this issue. It is intended to be used in conjunction with a Chime spending account. You can fund your Credit Builder card with funds from your account. You can then use your card at any retailer or store that accepts Visa. Chime will notify Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian about your card activity. There is also the option to enable the Safe Credit Building feature. This automatically pays your card's balance on time. The main limitation of the card is that your card limit is determined by the balance in your account. So, if you have $300 in your account and spend $150 on your Chime Credit Builder card, your limit will be $150 for the next month until you add more funds to your account. Citi Custom Cash. The Citi Custom Cash card is a good option for those who aren't spending too much on their card and mainly focus on a specific category. It can be a bit difficult to get it as a beginner, but in case you already have a Citi account, that may be possible. The rewards rate is pretty high for such card holders. 5% cash back on your highest eligible spend category each billing cycle up to the first $500 spent, and 1% cash back thereafter. In addition, new applicants are eligible for a sign-up bonus of $200 cash back after you spend $750 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. The card has no annual fee and provide generous 0% intro APR for new card holders. Upgrade Visa Card. The Upgrade Visa Card with cash rewards is a good pick if you're looking for a no annual fee credit card with a flat rate cashback reward while having a fair average score. A particularly attractive feature of the Upgrade Visa Card in relation to similar credit cards is the complete absence of fees, transactional or otherwise, on the card. It offers 1.5% cash back on payments, but you should be aware that the cashbacks on all your purchases with this card are only given when you make payments, not before. This is the only reward you get. So if you want intro rates or welcome bonuses, consider other alternatives. Unlike conventional credit cards which charge you daily interest for carrying a balance, this card practically gives you a personal line of credit, $500 to $25,000 or more. This will be split into equal installments, which you pay every month. You may use your credit line on purchases online, at retail stores, or even transfer the funds from your card to your personal bank account at no extra cost. Petal 2 Visa Credit Card. Petal 2 Visa Credit Card offers students the benefits of a rewards card, no fees attached. The card does not charge annual fees, maintenance fees, foreign transaction fees, over-limit fees, late payment fees, or any kind of fee. It is a great choice for people who want to build their credit up without foregoing rewards. These rewards are offered as cashbacks, which will increase depending on your level of financial responsibility. While using this card does not attract any direct fees, users who have a habit of defaulting in monthly payments will not get the best value out of this card. Considering that the upper limit of the APR is high, poor account management may have you paying considerably higher than you would expect to. Now, besides reviewing the top cards in the category, it's important to understand how to make the smartest choice for your needs. Is it easy to get a beginner credit card? It's not a problem if you've previously graduated. Now are a lot of terrific first credit cards out there for young professionals. Just pay attention to the credit standards and start with one that has a decent probability of acceptance. It's critical for new graduates to follow the criteria for building and maintaining a strong credit score, regardless of the sort of credit card they have. Credit scores are determined by a number of criteria, the two most essential of which are payment history, does this person pay their bills on time, and credit usage ratio, how much credit are they using at any given time in comparison to how much credit they have available. When a person's credit cards are all maxed out, their credit utilization ratio is high, and their credit score suffers as a result. What first-time credit card users need to know? Your first credit card can provide you with freedom, convenience, and opportunity all in one. Your first credit card, if used correctly, can help you develop credit and increase your capacity to borrow money in the future. Here are 7 simple tips to help you get the most out of your first credit card. Use a budget. Using a credit card to make purchases and get rewards is convenient, but it shouldn't be utilized to buy things you can't afford. You can avoid going into debt by having a realistic notion of how much you can spend and pay off at the end of the month. The majority of major credit card companies include expenditure analysis tools that you can access through your online account. You select a time period, a month, a year, or a custom term, and the tool displays how much money you've spent on your card in various categories. Leverage pre-qualification. To see if you're pre-qualified, contact the credit card company. A soft inquiry, a sort of credit check that has no impact on your credit score, can help you figure out if your credit score is good enough to apply for a specific card. Although pre-qualifications do not ensure that you will be approved for a particular credit card, they can assist you in narrowing down your possibilities for credit cards that meet your present needs. Shop around. Before deciding what to sign up for, make the most of this information and discover everything there is to know about any card that piques your interest. There are a few no-fee credit cards available, which are usually a smart place to start when looking for your first credit card. Pay your bill on time. Many credit cards include a grace period, which is the time between the end of a billing cycle and the due date for your bill. You may not be charged interest on your debt during a grace period if you pay it off by the due date. Interest will begin to accrue if you carry a portion of your balance over to the next month. Enrolling in autopay is a simple way to ensure that you never forget to pay your credit card bill. Review your credit card charges. To avoid being overcharged, it's critical to report fraudulent credit card charges as soon as possible. If you notice one of these, contact your credit card company right away to have them resolved. Make paying attention to your credit card bill a habit. Seeing your spending patterns may also encourage you to make budgeting a pleasurable practice. Does rewards worth it? Credit card reward programs are appealing since they allow you to earn airline miles, cash, or meals. However, the requirements for earning the benefits of some incentive schemes may wind up costing you more than the rewards you receive. Many rewards programs have a monthly or annual charge associated with them. Check the terms and conditions of any rewards program you're contemplating, and then compare any fees, like as higher interest, against how much you desire the prize. Understand credit card risks. If you use a credit card wisely, you can benefit from it. On another note, people who use credit cards for the first time usually abuse them. If you have a lot of debt, it's hard to get a loan, own a home, and it causes financial hardship for you and your family. When you obtain a credit card, it's important to use it the right way, not accumulating debt. Having a budget and plan is a great start to avoid credit card debt. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. On our website, you can find side-by-side credit card comparisons, extensive reviews, and full guides that can help you maximize your credit card rewards or build credit responsibly. What is your favorite card? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them on the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the best financial videos as soon as they go live.